In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check older orders in Amazon. Whether you're tracking down a past purchase for a warranty, a return, or just to remember what you bought, the process is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips so you can find orders from months or even years ago without any hassle. Start by opening your web browser and going to w.amazon.com. Using a desktop browser makes everything easier to see, especially the filters we'll use. If you're not already signed in, Amazon may prompt you to do that as the page loads. Once you're on the home page, we're ready to move on. Look to the top right of the page for the Account and Lists area. It's near the cart icon. Hovering over it will display a large menu, and clicking it will take you to your Account Hub. This is where Amazon keeps all your account tools in one place, including your order history. On the Account page, find the Your Orders option. Click that to open your order history. This page will show your recent purchases by default, typically from the last few months. You'll see each order listed with the items, dates, and totals, along with quick links to view order details. To reach older orders, go to the top of the Your Orders page and click the drop-down arrow that controls the date range. It usually shows something like past 3 months. Open that menu and choose the time period you need. You can switch to a specific year or a longer range. As soon as you select a new range, the list refreshes to show orders from that time frame. After the list updates, scroll through to locate the order you're looking for. You'll see order dates and order numbers, which are helpful if you're contacting support or checking a warranty. There's also a search bar on the Your Orders page where you can enter a product name or keyword to narrow things down, which is especially useful if you've placed many orders in the same year. If you're not seeing what you expect, double-check that you're on the correct Amazon region, like .com versus another country site, and that you're signed into the right account if you use more than one. Also, some very old orders may take a moment to load after you change the date range, so give the page a second to refresh. And that's it. Go to Amazon, open Account and Lists, choose your orders, then use the drop-down at the top to switch to the time frame you need. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.